Guys, it's Ellyne Miracle and welcome back to another video. And for today's video, as you guys can see from the caption and also the description box, we are gonna be going to the animal orphanage and giraffe center. So I really can't wait to go with you guys. To be honest, this is my first time in giraffe center and I'm super duper excited to see what they have in store for us. So come with me. Okay, so before we go, right now we're heading to the car and so before we even start this video, guys, please remember to subscribe, like, share, ring the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post a video, and also leave a positive comment below and suggestions or videos that you guys want me to be doing. So let's go. Okay guys, so now we're driving, getting out from our cart. Okay, sorry guys. So as I was saying, we're now on our way to what are we starting with? Giraffe Center.
Giraffe because it's the farthest.
Yeah, we're starting with the Giraffe Center.
Then we finalize with the animal
orphanage.
We come back to home.
So guys, let me just show you the people who are in the car currently. So first we have me, then we have Mom, the driver of the day, and then we have Mom. Say hi.
Hi guys. And you didn't
say hi.
Hi guys. Hi. This is Ellyne's Miracles channel. We are heading to Giraffe Center. After Giraffe Center, we finalize with animal orphanage. Then we come back. Oh, yeah. Enjoy guys. Enjoy.
And also we have Elvia. Elvia, say hi. Elvia, say hi. No, look at the camera and say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Elvia.
Where are we going?
I just know.
We are going to
Giraffe Center, mommy.
Giraffe Center.
Then animal orphanage.
And we also have Asian Wema, Asian, say hi.
Again.
And we also have Ayla, say hi.
Hey.
Where are we going?
We are going to Giraffe Center, then the animal orphanage.
So how do you feel?
Good.
No, for the animal.
I'm so happy. I'm so excited.
For the animal orphanage, it's not our first time. We've been there a couple of times with my dad. But for the giraffe center, we've never been there before, so we're pretty excited. And it's also one of the reasons why we're starting with that one, because it's our first time and I've had really great things about giraffe center. But yeah. And also guys, before I continue this video, there are people at school who are what are you talking about? Why are you starting that YouTube channel? Guys, if you come from my school and you're watching this video, you know who you are. I don't care at all. Your hate comments are not gonna stop me from doing videos. This is what I love doing, and just a silly hate comment that you're giving me will not stop me from doing something that I love. And yeah.
At the roundabout.
homeless people, they don't have their there. Lamata Cemetery. Okay? Ni pack up. Nataka kuingia hapa. Ama unataka ni
Okay guys, so we're finally at Giraffe Center. It's been like a long while, but we're finally here and we're now lighting the car and see you guys there at the entry. So guys, we're here at Giraffe Center finally. You walk, just walk. So yeah, we're here as y'all can see from the name. And yeah, let's go in. Oh my goodness, the sun is so bright. I don't know if you guys can see me, but let's go. Okay guys, so we're here at the footpath and yeah, let's go. So shy. Super duper shy. Actually, I'm so shy. But yeah guys, I'm also so shy. Like I'm just like taking a video and like everybody's looking at me like I'm some crazy person. Oh, there's a long line. Okay, so we're about to wash our hands because we can't feed the giraffes with like dirty hands. So we first wash our hands, then yeah.
Zote tu kurudisha zenyewe.
zenye unataka kunirudisha.
This is so embarrassing. Yeah, we're now gonna go pick the pellets. Oh, I like yeah. Wow.
Can I pick you a pellet? Thank you. Give one to Ayla. Thank you. Wow.
I'm scared. I am not so scared. I don't know. Mom, can you hold it?
I told you to leave the phones in the car. You refused.
Don't embarrass us like that. Guys, so but you so guys, okay.
The pellets are here. Show them, guys. We are going to feed the giraffes. Oh, and it's like we are lost. Are we really okay?
Yeah.
And how?
Your mom is embarrassing me. But so guys, we have these pellets that we're about to go and give to the giraffes. Oops, I just made my fall by accident. Elvia, bye. Let her stay there alone. Okay, walk, Basi. Let's go. We will leave you there. So this is how this place looks like. That's the toilet, the washrooms. There's a baby changing room, the washroom and all that stuff. Yo, I am so dressed. Oh no, I don't want to. Okay, guys, let's go. The sun is too bright, guys.
Huge. It's too huge.
Yeah.
Look at this sheep. Look at me.
Elvia.
She.
Yeah, I don't want to touch that tongue.
Ellyne, take me a video.
Okay. Mom.
Not any.
I am.
Taking some.
Okay.
Come here, not doing that.
You do it. It's enjoyable.
I'm not doing that also. Mom, take a video of me. Take a video of me.
Tell Layla to take it.
Layla, take a video. Okay, go and do it. Yuck. I'm not going to do that. Yuck.
You don't know how to aim.
Ellyne, full. The milk.
Okay. Oh God. Okay. Let me take a lot of them. Ellyne, it's so scary. Oh, by the way, the rest.
The saliva is so disgusting.
Feed the next one. Feed the next one. Feed the next one. We go feed the next one.
The next one. Oh my goodness. Sana.
Give me if you don't. Y'all just came to carry those pellets. Pellets are so cute.
Ellyne,
Yeah.
are you taking us?
Now Bella is good.
Yuck. The saliva is so disgusting. Yuck.
Bella again. Bella
Just
again.
one like that. Okay.
Bella
Okay,
again.
nataka kama inaenda na nini ya mtu.
Yeah, it's so disgusting.
Okay.
Bella again.
Sasa Ellyne, sushi keisimu basi.
Okay.
Okay, now
I'm
take a
done.
good video
Me,
of
I'm
me.
done. Elvia, come this. Let me feed you.
People come. Oh, okay.
Bella again.
Okay.
Show her face too. Unajua kuchukua video? You show the face. Tuachane na video. Mom, you need to excuse me. I also try.
Ah, it's okay. Try. Are you taking her video?
Yes, but she's saying that I'm not taking it.
Let us feed this one.
Oh my God.
Richie. You also want to.
Yeah, you're only doing it yourself.
But it's so scary.
The
Gigi, it's swallowing your hand.
Oh, they look so pretty.
Yuck.
Oh, sorry.
I'm done. Feed it, mommy. I take your video. Feed it, Taylor. It is not going to nene you. Just try once. I take your video, mom. Be careful. Ellyne, what are you doing?
I'm feeding it. You're throwing. Come closer.
Just feed it, okay? Aya, stretch your hand. Good. You are throwing, Ayla. Ebu ipatie. Good girl. You've tried.
This is disgusting.
It's disgusting.
It's scratching my shirt.
You are not feeding the giraffe.
I don't like it because it will give me.
Oh, Ayla, you are throwing.
I will never fix that giraffe. Mom, the internet inside fix you up.
You are done?
Yeah.
What about you, Ayla? Finish it up, then we go.
Oh no! Yeah! Mama!
Ellyne, talk to people.
I'm feeding a giraffe.
Okay. Is it fun?
Yeah, but it's like my.
Ayla, do quickly with your pellets. You are done?
I'm giving
Go give it one more time. And don't make sure you don't throw it away, okay?
The tongue is indigo in color.
I'm already finished! Mom, I feel the giraffe.
Oh, nice. You did a good job.
We're going this way, Mama.
Ellyne, you're done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Ayla, you're done?
I took hers. I just took her pellet and just fed the giraffe. I gave it the saliva is slimy. Hi, Ashan. The saliva is so slimy. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go up to that point.
Carry this. Now we're
turning them
disposing those like coconut thingies here.
We're not really disposing. We are just returning them back to be used by other people.
Okay. Look at Elvia. Where are you going? Guys, look at this place. It's so naturey. The giraffes, the saliva is so slimy. Ugh, yuck. Come back. Come. No, come. But yo, it's true. See, it is a restaurant. Guys, I'm trying to get a better view of the giraffes, but there they are. They're like hungry monsters, y'all. Like they just like you need to feed them. Like they don't even get full. I think it's because the stuff are like the pellets are like so small, and they're so huge that there's no way they don't get full. So guys, we're done feeding the giraffes. And like I'm asking mom, like, let's go to the next activity, and she's like, that's the only thing we're doing. And I'm like, only feeding giraffes, and she's saying yeah. But I've had so much fun. Ayla was so scared to feed the giraffes the pellets, like she was so scared. What? Anyway, so
Me, I've enjoyed. Imagine I've fed the giraffes. I normally see people
but
feeding
you, the
giraffes.
problem with you're like you're making noises and then you're throwing.
Yeah, but I made sure. But I was targeting. I was not even throwing them. I was targeting. You know me. The tongue is too long. You might think it wants to grab your hand.
Yes, and it
Cindy,
will
oh,
look like it's gonna do. I'm surprised with myself. I wasn't scared. Me, I've touched the saliva several times, and it's
And
not
the
that
way,
bad.
yeah, it's too slimy.
It's not bad. It's slimy, but it's not that bad. Like
It's not that bad.
it's just like feeding it the
lick your
pellets.
fingers if it's not bad.
It's just man, it's tasty. I've only said it's not that bad. You. Oh my God! Look at this. Is this Pumbaa from Simba? Look! What is this, Mama? You guys see? Can you not see the warthog? You guys are not even paying attention. It looks like Pumbaa from the Lion King. Guys, let me zoom in so that you guys can see well. There it is. Oh, and there's another one. Is that really a warthog?
I've seen it, Ellyne.
Finally, you've seen it.
I like to see
But
that.
yeah, so we've seen a warthog and a giraffe, and it's time to go to the animal orphanage. Yeah, this one's kneeling, and this other one is walking. But let's go, Mom. I've had so much fun feeding the giraffes. I wish I had more pellets. I don't know if it's possible to get another
I just want to see the
cup of
animal
pellets.
orphanage.
I just want to feed the giraffes again. Guys, just look at how this place is so packed. Look at those giraffes. This place is so packed. And the warthog. Aww. So guys, yeah, we've just washed our hands. We're done feeding the giraffes and we're heading back home. Where are we even going next?
Let me ask him.
Okay.
Don't go fast. Let me confirm something.
So guys, apparently there's some fun stuff that we're gonna do upstairs. So let's see.
Center Conservation Education Program.
Oh, look at this place. Oh, apparently the founders over here, the founders of Giraffe Center. Oh, I love this. I think I need to read this. Oh, look at this.
Oh my goodness! What is this? Ew! This giraffe is burning someone's head!
This active colors.
What are you doing, guys?
So we're about to make a warthog, aka Pumbaa. Like Pumbaa as in Pumbaa from the Lion King, Simba. So wait, hold on.
Pick the other one. The other one is over here. Pick this.
Where the eyes?
Elvia, you want to make the one of Pumbaa?
I think this is the bat. Yeah. Then wait. Oh, this is the eyes.
Make sure you fix it. Not that to another one.
Yeah, and I'm wondering why. This is so hard.
For the giraffe looks easy. So you finish up with this, then you go make the other one.
Yeah.
It's hard to make our dog Pumbaa.
Guys, she was saying that she's the only one who was making. She's just a joke.
Now they decided to come and make a giraffe. They're making a giraffe. Now, guys, what are you making?
Giraffe.
Giraffe, right?
There.
Yeah, it's over there.
It looks scary.
Looks scary.
No, it's not.
Can you see?
I've seen a head. No, this. Oh, these are legs.
Yeah.
That's the body. You need to look for a neck.
Yeah,
Mom.
at first I thought this was.
This is
We are leaving, guys, and we left with some brochures, both Kiswahili and English. So let's go, guys. Giraffe Center was fun. My favorite thing especially was feeding the giraffes. But we have to go back. Okay, guys, so we are done. So mom and I fed the giraffes.
Yes,
and
we really had fun.
as you guys can see from the video, mom was like screaming on like,
It was so scary. It was so scary, guys.
that's because the tongue is like really long. And for me, I wasn't making any noise. Okay, at first, as you guys could see from the video, at first I was scared to feed the giraffe, but as it was like continuing, the fear was just like disappearing, and now feeding it was just like normal. And I was also the saliva kept on like touching my fingers all the time, like a couple of times, but it wasn't that bad. Oh. See those muscles?
Take them. I take a photo and you pay them.
But like, yeah, that's how it was. And we all had so much fun, and also we entered like that giraffe center, something like a mini house, and it was talking about the history of the giraffe centers, about the founders, what the giraffe center has, the giraffes that they have, and they even have a giraffe called Kelly that is 24 years old. Can you imagine? And the youngest is like 1 year, like 2 months, or is it 4 months? And we also fixed puzzles. We fixed the Wild Dogs puzzle, aka Pumbaa's. If you know, you know. And it was so hard. And we also fixed the giraffe puzzle. Both of the puzzles were so hard.
But they were so
and we
tricky.
Yeah, they were
Fixing
so
them
tricky.
was so tricky.
Like you can't even know which part is the body and which part has the legs and which part has the. Like the only part that we solved is like the eyes, nothing else. And for the giraffe, it's only the head, nothing else. But fixing the puzzles was like so tricky and hard. But at least we had some fun fixing those puzzles too. And we also saw a bit of souvenirs. And yeah, guys, now we're gonna head to the animal orphanage. I don't know if we're gonna make it because it's a bit late.
They want us to take with them for.
What's up, those?
They want those are Maasai's. They want us to take photos with them.
Yeah, those are Maasai people, but yeah, let's head to the animal orphanage and see you guys. I'm gonna give you like a few clips of the road to going to the animal orphanage, and yeah. So we're here finally at the animal orphanage, aka Nairobi National Park. Guys, can't say I'm surprised. I've been here a couple of times.
And I'm back
So
again.
yeah, and I'm back again. I think the last time I was here was like 2023 or 2022, one of those years, and we had a really great time. And that time we were with dad, but this time we're not with dad. We're just
With
like
mommy.
with mom. Guys, such a peaceful environment. Hi, this is Asian. Nairobi Safari. And these people are still here. Elvia. So I only know that Joe Soy in Spanish. I'm learning.
So you talk something.
Those are Maasai's, and that's like how they like greet people. First animal is a lizard spot-nosed monkey. No, mom, stop it, mom, stop. Unafanya hivyo kwa nini?
Hivi anarukia mtu.
Stop.
Nimeona alikuwa ameanza kuwa ready.
There it is, and mom was literally scaring it. So let's go see the next animal. Next is an African crown crane. That's how they look like. I've never seen these ones before. I think they brought new animals.
Come sit. Come sit.
That's an African crown crane. Let's go see the next animal, mom. Let's go.
You feel it?
Yeah, let's go.
Nachoka kubeba shiwa acha tu.
Okay guys, so we're using a different phone because the other one is out of power, but this is a Savo cat. Yeah? Yeah?
They have a gum.
The scientific name Leptailura Savo has this, like a few of them, so they're not new.
Even I am Mara, the biggest YouTuber in Nyabohansi. Has several of them.
Oh my god, iPhone. Next we have this Genet cat. Oh, it's not even here. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Okay guys, so this was the Nairobi Animal Orphanage. We have enjoyed. Yeah, we have had fun. We've seen the cheetahs. We've seen leopards. Okay guys, so this was the Nairobi Animal Orphanage. We have enjoyed. Yeah, we have had fun. We've seen the cheetahs. We've seen leopards, monkeys, lions. Yeah, especially monkeys. Yeah, they dominated. As we went to the giraffe center.
What about the stubborn monkeys?
But you said
The stubborn monkeys. You also saw them. The
the
stubborn monkeys. They were chasing you.
Especially Elvia was being chased.
Because she's still a small baby. Look
And
at
she's
her.
traumatized.
She's even crying. She's traumatized, right? Mommy, sorry. There's like a monkey that wanted to jump on her. But I was so protective. Nothing could happen to her. Sorry, baby, once more. Sorry. Hey, imagine the monkey was following her everywhere she was going. And I was like, look at this monkey. Imagine.
Yeah, so they were smart. They were stubborn monkeys. They were really, really cute giraffes. The giraffes were so cute.
Cute.
Like feeding them was so
You've
much
also
fun.
seen the Nini,
Yeah,
the
I
Nini,
really loved
the
to go
Nini,
there
the
once.
crocodiles.
Ellyne wasn't scared.
But the monkeys, are they baboons or monkeys? They've dominated everywhere. Yeah. And the sleeping lions. Oh, sorry, mommy. Tell people something.
Okay, mom, let me
Sorry.
end the video. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please guys, remember to subscribe, like, share
it to your family,
relatives,
and other more people.
and also ring the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post a video like this one. And also leave a positive comment below this video. Leave like suggestions on videos that you guys want me to be doing. And like, yeah guys, so, and also I also have other social media handles, TikTok and Instagram. They all go under one name, which is Ellyne Miracle, ELLYNE, then Miracle. And yeah, guys, also check out those other. Yeah, we enjoyed.
You've enjoyed, right?
Yeah, bye. Bye. Churros.
Churros.